Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are safe. So in this video, we are going to see about grade 2 CBSE books. So second standard CBSE books. So in my daughter's school, we went and paid the fees. So they have given, this is the book set they have given to us. So they have given one set of pencils and one long size scale and one sharpener they give, and so like this they given a set of books. So I hope you can see. So this is Kannada and this is Hindi book, and like this set they have given to us for grade second standard. Okay, this is Pearson's Complete Learning Solution CBSE. So this kind of set they have given to us. So why I am showing this video is like many parents in the pandemic situation, like they will not send their children to the school, or they'll be worried which board to send, or what kind of books it will be available. So like that many parents will have a doubt. So for those people I've no created this video, so I hope you get benefit. So like this they have packed with the full cover they put, and they packed nicely. So like this they are giving to all the parents in my daughter's school. So maybe we'll cut and show you what are the books are available, and you can see the syllabus content also. Yeah, let's we cut it and show you. Yes friends, I have cut it, and you can see all the books here. So I'm going to show you all the books, what are the books I've given. So first is ACAs with Astor, a stock base in English. So you can see it's a practice book number 2, and the author is Emalata Nadarajan. Okay, so this is the content they have given. So you can see in this book is it's about it's English book. So the stories and grammar like this will be there. So hope you can see. So next book is Longman or Incredible Planet Plus. So this is also from Pearson only. So you can see the first page, and this is also grade 2 CBSE. My daughter's school is a proper affiliated CBSE. So they are following this pattern for second standard. So these are the content for this book. So and next Max 1+1 they have given here. It's also Pearson's, and these are the content in this book. So you can see. And next is Cornerstone, Climb with Cornerstone, Brinda Ramesh, and series editor is by G. Rajagopal. So they are having an active app also they are having, you can see in this. So second standard grade 2. So this is that available here. So you can see how colorful this books. So these are the content this book has. So it's about grammar. So you can see the sentence, poem, nouns, adjectives, all grammatical teachings, everything is available here. Another also is Max only. So they have given actually 2 books in Max. So you can see. So I hope you can see. So see how it is. So this all the CBSE, you all know it's very easy. Children easily can learn, and that's how they make the pattern also. So a lot of contents are there here in Max book. So next is about same this book Astor, again a English book. So my daughter is having an online class. I hope she'll have a class from this month, second week onwards. So these are the contents. So if you have any doubt in this, you can post the comments. So another book is same Planet book. It's something basically about science. The author is Anuradha Mukherjee. So lot of informations are there, lot of basic informations what are the children have to learn. It's all mentioned here about plants and animals, travel, communication, family, friends, everything it's mentioned. And plus Hindi is there. Hindi with English meaning they have given. So I think it's easy for many parents who don't know Hindi. If the school has have Hindi subjects means like this book, it really help for all the parents, and can easily teach children. And Kannada, because we are in Bangalore, so Kannada is mandatory. So we have opted Kannada. And even in the school there is option, even another subject also we can take. If you want to take Telugu or Tamil or Malayalam, anything you can opt. But since we are in Karnataka, we wanted our daughter to learn Kannada, so we have opted this. So these are the book set. So I hope it helps to many of you. So if you have any queries or any comments you wanted to give, so please you can comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, you can like it and subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching. We'll see next video. Bye everyone.